Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Makeup Monday, and I'm going to be sharing a casual get ready with me featuring a no makeup tutorial. I'm on vacation and I'm about to have a casual dinner with my family, and I definitely don't want to spend a lot of time doing my makeup. So if you want to see how I got this no makeup look along with this very casual outfit, stay tuned. I'm starting this no makeup look with the Revlon Rose Glow Primer. I'm absolutely loving this primer. I know that I'm not the only one who goes on vacation and just does not pack your entire makeup kit. Like, I knew I was not going to be staying for a vacation for a very long time, so I really brought the minimum makeup that I had at home because I did not want to be lugging that. So everything that you see in this video is basically all the makeup that I brought. So yeah. And after I'm done applying the primer, now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Hydro Flex foundation. Used that in my last video as well. Love this product. Is a very lightweight. It's actually lighter than my BB cream from Bobbi Brown and my Mary Kay 3D matte. So that's the main reason why I brought this on this trip, because it is hot outside and I definitely needed something light that wasn't going to melt away, and this right here is definitely perfect for that. So I'm applying that all over my face, and now I'm just going in with my foundation brush and I'm patting and just placing that all over my face and making sure to get as much coverage as I can, because I did not use a lot of makeup. I did not use a lot of foundation. So since I still want that coverage, I'm using the brush, I'm using the patting technique to still give me as much coverage as I can with the little makeup that I applied. All right. So after I have done that, I'm going to go in with my MAC powder, and I'm going to apply the powder all over my face. This is a step that I definitely can't skip because like I said before, it is hot outside and I want to make sure that my makeup stays in place, and this powder is going to make sure that it's not running all over the place. After that, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place blush. Loving these blush colors. I'm going to go ahead and apply the second color, this pinkish looking color, and just to give my face, you know, some type of a blush type of look on my cheeks. Forgot my blush brush, so I had to end up using my powder brush to blend all that in, but oh well, it is what it is. And now after I've done all of that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to prime my eyes with the Hydro Flex foundation. Left my eyeshadow primer at home, and I can't remember if I did it deliberately or if I actually forgot it. But anyway, I don't have it, so I had to end up priming with my foundation, which is perfectly fine. It is what it is. And now I'm going in with the Revlon cream shadow, and it is a cream shadow with just like a bunch of different types of browns, and I'm using the kind of the golden or skin tone type of brown, and then I'm just applying that all over my lid. And again, a very simple eyeshadow. This is the only eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, just to give my eyeshadow, my eyelid, some type of color. Now once I have applied all of that to my lid, I'm going in with my blending brush. I'm just going to blend all that in because I definitely don't want that to crease. After that, I'm taking the Slay Sis lip palette, which I'm loving all these colors right now. I haven't tried all of them, but the ones that I've tried, I love this lip palette. And I'm using the orange just to give my lips some type of color. And that's it, you guys. Time for the outfit.
So this is the finished get ready for me look. I got this shirt from Old Navy. I don't know how I really like it with the pants, but since we're not going anywhere spectacular, this is going to be working for today. I got my hair in a high bun. Got one of my favorite earrings on that I recently purchased. My Michael Kors sandals. And yeah, this is what I'm rocking today. I have on my jeans, my skinny jeans with rips. I don't remember where I got these pants. They are old. So yeah, this is the get ready for me today. Very casual, vacation style. When you don't feel like getting dressed up, but you still gotta be cute though. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.